Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here in for Rob. It is Thursday, September 18th, 2025. Hope you're all doing well. All right, so here's the NASDAQ, folks, on the daily. I wanted to start out there first, just give you an idea of what I've been looking at. So you can see these very bullish formations here on the Heikin-Ashi. A lot of flat bottoms. Champion cross continues to get wider. We're getting other signals, that we could be heading higher as well. The Heikin-Ashi algorithm is bullish. It really kind of all started with a Heikin-Ashi Delta Smooth, TRP Cross, flat bottom, Heikin-Ashi combo, right? We see that in the WealthCharts live training room all the time on the smaller time frames. It obviously is a very important opportunity if you're swing trading as well to the long side. So my expectation, folks, is that we're going to continue higher here based on these formations. Again, it doesn't mean every day. We can certainly have a day that it heads lower, then retraces and heads higher, but I'm expecting the markets to continue the bullish action, even though from a seasonal perspective, September is typically weak. Okay, so this is super powerful right now. A lot of buying coming in. All right, so within the WealthCharts live training room, just the last couple of days, I figured I'd show you a couple of the opportunities that we took together in that room. And so this is Wednesday. Okay, this is Wednesday. This is the 1 minute NASDAQ. Okay, just to kind of give you a reference there as you're looking at the chart. And right here is 845. So we were in an uptrend. We retraced. Then we started going back in the up direction of the overall trend, right? Again, champion trend was green. Champion cross turned green. That's an entry opportunity for me. You can see a TRP cross. You can see the Laguerre. A fantastic opportunity for me. I can also identify my risk. It was a relatively low risk with my stop. Again, this particular trade that we did together, right, was, for me, it was 26 ticks. Okay, so a nice solid trade to the upside there. That was taken on Wednesday. Okay, and then today, you're looking at a lot of very similar formations, right? That's what I look for. Move up, retracement. There we go. Another move back in the direction of the trend. Flat bottom. Look at how solid that Heikin-Ashi formation is. That's a thing of beauty, folks. TRP cross here. Heikin-Ashi Delta Smooth, one of my favorite tools. Laguerre heading higher as well. Nice entry. Just a beautiful opportunity this morning as well. So if you want to learn how I do this, folks, how I look at the markets and how I use Heikin-Ashi, we've got this a special treat coming up, right? www.wealth365.com. Join Keith. The October 6th to 11th, we have the Wealth 365 Summit, okay? And so you can register now, and you'll start getting important updates. You can put your phone number in and get texts and so forth. And there's going to be a lot of valuable information. Remember, folks, most of you know this. I've already got six-figure payouts in the prop firms. 6 figures. And I'm going to show you how I've been doing that, right? I think it's important. If you want to try to be successful at something, you should probably try learning from somebody that's doing it, right? That's something I've always, from day one, with anything I do, believe in. And so, again, come join me, folks. Again, it's October 6th to 11th. Wealth365.com. Join Keith. And there's going to be a tremendous amount of speakers there throughout the week. If you're new to trading or if you're an experienced trader, you can find something in there for anybody, right? October 6th to 11th. Again, I'm going to show you, making over 6 figures in prop trading. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it and my techniques. There's also a tremendous amount of updates, as usual, during the summit that's going to be launched within WealthCharts. You don't want to miss all of these learning experiences. So please sign up now. It's www.wealth365.com. Join Keith, and I will look forward to seeing everybody the week of October 6th. All right, folks, have a great day and good luck. Take care.